Good morning, dear students. How are you? Okay, fine. In our first chapter, we had read about parallels of latitude. Now, our second chapter is about heat zones of the earth. The sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is the source of heat to all the planets. All the planets, they receive heat from the sun. But the heat energy received from the sun is not uniformly distributed over the surface of the earth. So, some places are very hot and some other places are very cold. Why it happens? Why there is difference of temperature on different places? Difference of temperature on different surfaces of the earth depends on two factors. The first is the angle of the sun's rays and second factor is shape of the earth. Now we will read in detail about the three heat zones of the earth. The parallels of latitude divide the earth into three heat zones. In first chapter we had read about the parallels, and these parallels of latitude divide the earth into different heat zones. So this topic, previous topic, is very relevant with this topic. It is very helpful in understanding today's topic. So three heat zones are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. The first zone is torrid zone. Torrid means very hot. In the diagram you will see now where this torrid zone lies. Near the equator, where the sun rays fall direct. Here in this area near the equator, the sun rays fall directly or vertically. So these areas are very hot. So the region between 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, this region is torrid zone. This region is torrid zone. The areas lying in the torrid zone are very hot. It doesn't mean these areas are very hot, these are wet also. Daytime these are very hot because of direct sun rays, and evening time these areas get very heavy rainfall. So these are hot as well as wet also. Why this area is very hot? Here we have done because two factors decide this: angle of sun rays. The sun rays fall direct here and shape of the earth is round. So this area of earth's surface receives sun's heat on a very small area, and these areas are very hot. The second zone is temperate zone. Temperate means mild, neither very hot nor very cold. So temperate zone you can see in this diagram, where the temperate zone lies in the northern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere we have two temperate zones, north temperate zone and south temperate zone. In northern hemisphere there is north temperate zone which lies between 66.5 degree N and 23.5 degree north. So this area here is north temperate zone. This region between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer is north frigid zone. And in the southern hemisphere, the area lying between 23.5 degrees south and 66.5 degrees south, this is south temperate zone. This area is south, sorry, here I have written frigid zone, this is temperate zone. T for temperate, Z for zone. And in this area, this is south temperate zone. Now this area, because here the sun rays falls vertically, sun rays fall vertical in this area and it spreads over a large area. The sun rays falls over a large area and it falls vertical. So, these areas receive less heat from the sun. So, these areas are neither very hot nor very cold. Now, let us read about frigid zones. What are frigid zones? Frigid means very cold. Near the poles. Here in the northern hemisphere, beyond the Arctic Circle, this is North Frigid Zone. And if we see in the southern hemisphere, beyond the this Antarctic Circle, this is 66.5 degree, south is Antarctic Circle. So, beyond the Antarctic Circle, here we have South Frigid Zone. These areas are very cold because here the sun rays fall very slanting. Sun rays are very slanting in these areas. So, in summers these areas are very cool and in winters these are freezingly cold. I hope you have understood. I am giving you once again the revision. I am telling you again about the torrid, temperate and frigid zone. The area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, between two tropical regions, this area is torrid zone, and this is, since it lies between tropical regions, it is called tropical zone also, and the climate found here is tropical climate. And between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere, and in southern hemisphere between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, we have south temperate zones. And in the northern hemisphere beyond the Arctic Circle, there is North Frigid Zone, and in southern hemisphere beyond the Antarctic Circle we have South Frigid Zone. I hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you.